Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only keyboard methods to increase font size in Notepad. Both methods use built-in menus and shortcuts, so you never touch the mouse. One method adjusts the view with zoom, and the other changes the actual font size in the font dialog. I will give exact keystrokes you can type. Follow each sequence slowly and press keys in order. These steps work on Windows Notepad without extra software or settings. To increase the visible text size, use View Zoom keyboard navigation. Press Alt, then V to open the View menu. Next press Z to open the Zoom submenu, then press L for larger, and the view increases instantly. Alternatively, press and hold Ctrl and press the plus key on the numeric keypad. Each press increases zoom by a step. Remember, zoom affects only how text appears, not the file font itself. To change the real font size, open the Format menu with Alt-O, then press F to open the font dialog window. Use Tab to move to the size field when the dialog appears. Type the point size digits such as 16 or 24 and press Enter to apply. You can also use arrow keys to select sizes. This method updates the font for future editing sessions in Notepad on this system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.